Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your TCL model and system version so you apply the right fixes. Once done, open Apps, force stop YouTube and clear cache and data to remove corrupt temp files. Then power cycle the TV by unplugging for 30 seconds or using the physical power button. This reboots network modules and app services. Doing these steps first reduces variables and often resolves playback errors without deeper changes. Next, focus on connectivity and credentials because many YouTube failures come from those. Check Wi-Fi speed with a phone. Slower than 5 Mbps will stutter HD streams. If network is fine, sign out of YouTube and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens, which fixes authorization errors. Also make sure both the YouTube app and TCL system firmware are updated in Settings System Software Update. These steps resolve app incompatibilities and certificate or token mismatches. Finally, apply advanced steps only if earlier fixes fail. Change DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 in network settings to avoid slow resolvers. This often fixes buffering and load failures. If problems persist, reset app settings or perform a full TV factory reset after backing up settings because corrupted system files can block the app. One troubleshooting tip: try a wired Ethernet connection or cast from your phone as a temporary workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.